Hi lovely people, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're a new viewer. If you are a new viewer, you are tuning in at a very exciting time because in this video I'm going to share with you my new Sticker 8 binder, which is being released on Wednesday the 11th of July. So I decided that this needed its own video separate from the other What's New Wednesday releases. And first of all, I just want to talk a little bit about why a binder and why at this point. So it's kind of evolved, my sticker storage. If you've seen my channel for a while, you'll know that I've tried various things. My most recent was this. It's a similar binder, but it's actually a little bit smaller. And I just put everything into plastic wallets and would flick through, which was great. Except that, do you know what? This, taking it out to take off the sticker and then putting it back in, drives me batty. And so I didn't put them back in, I just used to shove them in the front, and I ended up with an unorganised mess. It was chaos, it was not good. So first of all, this is going to solve your storage problems, and it's going to simplify things a lot for you and let you get control over your sticker stash. And because all of my sticker sheets are now going to be on A5 sheets, that means no need for page protectors. So let's have a look at it. So first of all, the front cover is printed on high quality vinyl and then just slipped underneath the plastic for protection. There will be an option that you can add on a decal with your name if you want to have that, and then you've got the spine as well, and it's got the beautiful rainbow across it with all the colours that I use in my normal palette. Inside, the binder comes with these pockets front and back, which are really great for slipping in smaller sheets, samples, perhaps this week's kit, so you've got it at your fingertips. So it makes it really easy to use. And it's going to come with 6 single-sided dividers, each of them saying Sticker 8 on. And these are also laminated. An A5 sheet of rainbow acetate, which I've punched this, but it will come unpunched, and I was just going to use that as a little kind of dashboard there just to protect things, or use just to tuck some stuff underneath. And it will also come with a sheet of transparent labels. And these are cut and sized so that they will fit on the dividers here. And you can see that if you want to pause the video for a moment and take a look at the 40 different categories that you can choose from. It is quite amusing that we have a label for labels. And of course Penguin Joe had to feature in there. But there's a really good range there. I had asked in my Facebook group how people were categorising their stickers, and so that is where a lot of those headings came from. I also added in January to December, because then if you want to, you can also get an extra set of dividers with the binder, and you could then organise it that you put your kits in per month, so that if you're planning ahead, you know what you're doing. So, as I say, your binder, the basic binder, comes with all of this apart from the name decal, and the burning question that is going to be on everybody's lips is how much does it cost, of course. Well, it will cost £22.50, and if you want to add on the name decal, that's an extra £2 instead of the usual £2.50. I can only do first names only though, and an extra set of dividers will be £8. Price for A5. All of those pesky sheets that aren't hole punched. Oh, I mean, look at this, look at this, what am I like? You can see why I needed this. But all of these you can then add in your pockets as well, with different sheets and kits in that you may already have. The other thing being A5 of course as well is that you could always make your own dividers, and I actually made one thinking ahead for summer. I used one of the Creative Pack papers from the Tropical Pack, and I just put a divider tab on it with this month from the little sticker sheet, and that can then be my summer stickers section. And that pocket at the back is great just for tucking in journal cards as well, or it would be if it was working for me. There we go. Journal cards, loose sheets of stickers, whatever it may be, you can fit things in there too. So you can really make this your own. the A5 dashboards that come out with every order as well, of course you could hole punch those, put a tab on them, make those into a divider too. So, you know, make it your own. This is kind of, it's got to suit you. It's got to be a system for you. It's got to be, you know, at the end of the day, stickerating and planning is all about adding, to me it's about adding colour and joy to the ordinary, the everyday, and just brightening up every day. It's you know, there's a reason it's a tagline. So we can also do that as well with the creative packs. There will be initially a limited quantity because I want to get these turned around within 1 to 2 weeks, and so I'm going to limit the initial order numbers, and those will be across the website and Etsy. So the website tends to sell quicker because, well, for one thing, you get your rainbow rewards, don't you? Which is brilliant. So if I have stock left on Etsy as the website's running low, I'll just switch it over, or vice versa if it goes the other way. But yes, they are going to be a limited quantity initially. So if you're wanting one of these, then 6 PM, July, Wednesday the 11th is going to be the place to be. I'll leave the links down below, and if you want any more details, hop on over to my Facebook group or my Instagram and you can find lots more information there. And look out for the second part of the What's New Wednesday video, where I'll be sharing with you some of the new releases, what the new sticker sheets are going to look like, and other things besides.